Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best Samsung tablets in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a casual streaming device, a tablet with a stylus for drawing and note-taking, or a powerful laptop replacement, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Not everyone wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a tablet, so if you're looking for a cheap Samsung tablet for casual use, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch tablet may be a great option for you. It offers good performance and build quality in a lightweight design. Priced around $200, this is a great tablet for everyday users who want a reliable device that they can take and enjoy anywhere. This tablet measures 8.4 by 4.9 by 0.4 inches with thin bezels around the 8-inch 1280 by 800p screen. It's easy to hold with only one hand thanks to the lightweight design, weighing only 12.2 ounces. The brightness of the screen and viewing angles are excellent, so you can sit outside to enjoy your shows. Included are a USB 2.0 port, USB-C port for charging, and a microSD card slot for up to 512 gigabytes of additional storage on top of the 64 gigabyte internal memory. The quad-core 2 GHz Qualcomm processor is great for streaming and listening to music. The Tab A also has 2 gigabytes of RAM, helping apps open quickly and allowing for basic multitasking. It's great that you also get access to the Google Play Store for loads of content and games. The Tab A gets loud enough for watching videos through its bottom-firing speaker, but can get a little distorted at higher volumes. The battery life is also great, being capable of running for over 6 hours when streaming full-screen video over Wi-Fi at maximum screen brightness. There are 2 cameras, an 8-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and front-facing camera, which is great for video calls. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch is the best cheap Samsung tablet with a great screen, impressive battery life, and loads of apps, making it great for casual users, families, or to take on commutes to work. Next up, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, which has a bit more additional features and a higher resolution screen while still being an affordable budget option. You can pick the Galaxy Tab A7 up for around $210, and it has a great battery life as well as features like facial recognition and cellular connectivity for making calls. The 8.7-inch 2000 by 1200p screen has thin bezels and a compact 9.8 by 6.2 by 0.3-inch form factor for a sleek, quality look. The screen has good color reproduction and detail and is able to produce 101.7% of the sRGB spectrum for a large color variety. The 32 gigabytes of onboard memory can be expanded up to 1 terabyte with a microSD card. It also has 3 gigabytes of RAM, a 5 GHz MediaTek processor, and PowerVR graphics co-processor for a budget tablet with some great performance capabilities. The aluminum shell feels sturdy to use while also being light at 1.1 pounds. This tablet includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, USB-C charging, and a headphone jack. There's also 4G LTE connectivity, allowing you to make calls, which is a great feature. The speakers provide good sound, and you can get some extra performance out of the speakers if you enable Dolby Atmos to bolster the presence of audio even when not playing Dolby Atmos branded content. There's tons of battery life to let you enjoy loads of content, with up to 13 hours on a single charge. For security, the front camera provides facial recognition, which is quick and easy to set up, providing fast and secure logins. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is the best budget Samsung tablet with an affordable price that comes with extra features like the ability to make phone calls and facial recognition, making it a great choice for home or work use. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a toned-down version of last year's flagship Tab S6, but still offers plenty of performance and features for the price, making it the best Samsung tablet for the money. It has an expansive display and thin, stylish design that also comes with an S Pen and book cover to give you a complete package for around $380. With a 10.4-inch 2000 by 1200p screen, this 9.6 by 6.1 by 0.27-inch tablet has a great screen-to-body ratio. It weighs 16.4 ounces, making it easy to hold for extended periods, and the included S Pen is great for drawing and note-taking. The pen also connects to the S6 Lite magnetically, which I think is a nice touch that prevents it from getting lost. The pen is both pressure and tilt sensitive, making writing and drawing accurate. The stylus doesn't noticeably lag or become misaligned, and the pressure sensitivity works smoothly in a wide range of applications. I like the included book cover that keeps the screen safe from scratches and can also be used as a stand to prop up the tablet. The CPU is a 2.3 GHz Samsung Exynos 9611 processor with 4 GB of RAM, and the 128 GB onboard storage can be upgraded via the micro SD card slot for up to 1 TB of additional storage. There's a USB-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity are also there. The S6 Lite has dual speakers on the sides for good stereo separation when you're listening to music or watching videos. The battery life is excellent and will last all day, with over 12 hours while browsing online over Wi-Fi, which is impressive. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is the best Samsung tablet for the money with amazing battery life and the included S Pen, making it an especially great choice for students to take notes or creatives to carry on the go. If you're looking for a tablet for productivity, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is our pick for the best overall Samsung tablet. Priced at about $520, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is a great productivity tablet that comes with an S Pen and can connect to a book cover keyboard for extra functionality. The 11-inch display really pops from the 10 by 6.5 by 0.3-inch body, and you'll find the 2560 by 1600p resolution is clear and crisp, and the 120Hz variable refresh rate keeps everything looking extremely smooth. Color accuracy is great, and the screen gets bright enough to use outside without any glare. The back and chassis are made of aluminum for a sturdy overall build and a lightweight design that comes in at 1.1 pounds. There's a SIM slot, a hybrid power button and fingerprint sensor, volume rockers, and USB-C charging port. On the back, you'll find a camera and a magnetic strip for the included S Pen. If you want to opt for the full laptop-style versatility the Tab S7 offers, the bottom of the tablet has a pin connector and magnetic divots to keep a keyboard accessory in place. The speakers feature Dolby Atmos and AKG tuning and get quite loud with a maximum volume of 92 decibels. The sound quality is good with defined mids and even a bit of bass for a solid media streaming experience. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of memory that can be upgraded to 1 TB with a microSD card. It's a good setup with the processor able to handle dozens of open browser tabs and multiple open apps as you multitask. The battery lasts about 5.5 hours while streaming HD video on full brightness and is likely to be longer with simple everyday tasks, but it's still good to know that the Tab S7 supports fast charging for when you need the extra power. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is the best overall Samsung tablet with a great display and processor that's ready for multitasking, making it a great option for a versatile work-from-home setup. If you like what the Galaxy Tab S7 offers, then why stop there when you can go all out and get the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which gives you more power and versatility, earning our spot as the best splurge Samsung tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is the most capable Android productivity tablet on the market, with an amazing display and the power to handle multitasking with ease, making it a truly viable laptop alternative at around $780. The casing is aluminum, measuring 11.25 by 7.3 by 0.2 inches and weighing 1.3 pounds with well-distributed weight, making it feel lighter than it is. The front has a stunning 12.4-inch 2800 by 1752 pixel Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate. Vivid colors and deep blacks give images a richer quality than on the Tab S7. The screen is also bright enough to use in direct sunlight. Like the Tab S7, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset powers the Tab S7 Plus with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage with microSD expansion up to 1 TB. It can easily get through just about any task, capable of handling over a dozen apps and 3 dozen open Chrome windows without slowing. Gaming is even possible with lightning-fast load times and no lag or dropped frames, adding to the level of entertainment this tablet can provide. Samsung packed a larger battery in the Tab S7 Plus than the Tab S7. It'll carry you through the workday with a charge lasting about 7.5 hours while streaming HD video over Wi-Fi at full brightness and will last longer with less demanding tasks. The included S Pen works amazingly and even charges wirelessly when attached to the back of the tablet. The 4 AKG tuned speakers are among the best you'll find on a tablet. With a maximum volume of 96 decibels, audio is loud and sounds good when you're watching videos, plus there's Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity for wireless audio. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is the best splurge Samsung tablet with an amazing screen, wireless charging stylus, and enough power for gaming, making this a fantastic choice if you want a tablet with laptop levels of performance. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.